Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Mr. Canadian National. CCN is replacing railroad ties there in front of me. Doing work on the railroad tracks, replacing railroad ties, putting new railroad ties in and taking the old ones out. There's the old ones laying there, and there's the new ones up there by the track. Yeah, CN's replacing railroad ties. Well, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. If you're new and came along this replacing railroad ties, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But again, everyone, you all take it easy and have a good one. Until next time, they call me Mr. Canadian National. And this railroad tie replacement video is over. Have a good one and take care.